Southeast Michigan, we are known for mobility, for the auto industry, for 100 years. And with ACM and our three institutions and the Detroit Regional Partnership and the many other assets that contribute to the future of mobility continuing to happen here in Michigan and in Detroit. That's that gravity center that we're building the future today.
And we find it invaluable to be here. It's why Toyota located our R&D headquarters here in Detroit. It's why we continue to grow and invest in this area. We see it's the base of all of the suppliers, our competitors, everybody is here. They either have a headquarters here or an R&D facility or major investments in this area.
This region has all of that expertise in one area. It's not picking and choosing and trying to put people together. You have that capability all in one area, and we want to leverage the historical knowledge and all of the institutions that have been built up in this region. It's just a great place for developing these new systems.
And it's not just ACM, right? It's the access to the 80 to 90,000 engineers, the access to the Detroit Smart Parking Lab, it's the access to the other test beds. You have M-City, you have the MDOT corridor, already a lot of existing infrastructure here.
So Toyota's history with ACM goes back about 5 years ago. Most recently, we announced that we're going to expand further our presence at ACM, and we've committed around $6 million between track usage and expansion of facility, both for the design, development, and evaluation of some of our mobility systems that are in production now and will be coming online here in the next several years.
The American Center for Mobility, it's evolved into a place to prove out future mobility technologies. And then we like to say that we're more than a physical test center because we do have a very large mobility ecosystem of companies that come here to network, to conduct business development activities, to showcase their products, and also to convene along topics of industry standards. So really a combination of a state-of-the-art smart mobility test facility for future technologies, and then an ecosystem.
Southeast Michigan is the best place to be to bring in the brightest and the best from both the supply base and from a hiring standpoint. From the universities, the community colleges, whether it's an automotive engineer or a technician or someone doing software, we think here is the best place to be to bring in the best talent.